Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Netflix when it keeps buffering while playing a video on your Windows. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Whenever your Netflix keeps buffering when you are watching your favorite shows on your browser, then this is a very common issue. The most important thing you should look out for is to check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, and once you do that, most of the problem just fixes when you have a stable internet. You can also try unplugging your power cable for your router or your modem. Leave both of them disconnected for at least 30 seconds and plug it in back again. When your internet is working again, check if Netflix is still loading slow. Another thing you can do is to refresh your web page or restart your browser. Simply go ahead and refresh your browser by clicking on this reload icon at the top left-hand corner, or you can also reboot your PC. Doing so can be helpful and you might be able to solve your buffering issue on Netflix. The next thing to do when your Netflix keeps buffering is to simply clear your browser cache. When your browser has stored excessive cache, it should slow down your connection, and this might lead to your Netflix buffering issue. So in order to do that, go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots. Click Settings from the option. From the left hand side menu, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and after you see the Clear Browsing Data option, give it a click and make sure your cookies and your cache image and files are checked. Once you are done with it, click on Clear Data, and doing so might solve your issue right away. Once you clear out your cache data, if it still does not work, you can also try updating your web browser. Simply go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots. Now, from the expanded menu, mouse over to the Help tab. Now click on About Google Chrome option from the pop-up. If there is an update available for your Google Chrome, and if you've not done that yet, your update should start automatically. If your Chrome is up to date, you'll be able to see this information. Once you update your Google Chrome web browser or your any other web browser, your problem should be fixed. That was how you can easily solve Netflix buffering issue using your web browser. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.